Hello. Today we're going to be looking at how to use the Films on Demand database. We start at the SUSCC library website. We're on the home page. If we look down to the Databases tab, we click there. We can see the Films on Demand icon at the top. If we're trying to access this from on campus, then we'll be automatically logged in. But if we try to access the Films on Demand database from anywhere off campus, we'll need to enter a username and password. If you look below, you'll see a message. To access Films on Demand off campus, use this username and password. The username is SUSCC and the password is digital. So once we click on the icon, if we were off campus, we would get a pop-up here where we enter in the username and password, and once we do that, we can see the main page. At the top, we've got a basic search bar with an advanced search feature to the right. We've got drop-down bar menu for the different subjects they cover. We've got a display of 1,817 different results under the art and architecture category. We can change that to a different subject if we need to. We've got other filters, like we can look at videos from different languages. We can also change the types of videos that we see. Like if we were looking for only documentary films, we can choose that. On the right hand side, you can see that we're looking at our results displayed from newest to oldest, but we can change that from oldest to newest. We can list them in alphabetical order from A to Z or from Z to A, or we can look at most viewed. If we click the title of the video, we see the video itself. To the right, we can see a segments section. So the video is broken up into segments, and it shows you at what point that video segment starts. So you can actually skip ahead to that segment of the video if you need to. There's a transcript section. So the entire audio from the video is typed out for you to read through. If we look below, we've got a paragraph description of the video itself. We've got a detail section to the right where we can see the producer, the date it was added to Films on Demand, the copyright date for the film, what type of video it is. This one is a documentary. And we can also see the runtime and the language. All right, let's take a look at the advanced search feature. Let's say we are doing research on Rome and the fountains in Rome. So we type in both of those terms and we can hit enter, or we can scroll down and click search. And we see 33 results. We've got those same filters we had earlier, but we also have relevance now listed. So all of these videos are displayed by relevance to our search terms. If we click on the video, we see what we saw earlier with the description, the segments and transcripts and details. But here's where we play the video. We click play and the video starts. We can turn on closed captions if it's available. We can expand the screen out to full screen. We can also do a screencast if we were trying to watch this on a different device. And that is how you use the Films on Demand database.